nothing. Oh?
Yeah, I see it.
Numbers.
Huh? But you're on YouTube now. Pussy. You're on YouTube.
You're still in the
Huh?
It's okay.
What are you going to do?
I'm gonna kill somebody.
Where's the gasoline at?
I'm gonna kill Giants, motherfucking fans. We're all dead.
So in 4 games, you only have to work that game. And that, for a reliever, it will blow your ERA.
I'm freaking out, man.
So to work it back down.
6-0. Are you fucking kidding me? Fuck the Dodgers.
If you do have one wreck,
hey, let's go burn this hat.
I fucking hate LA.
Let's go burn this hat. We got a fucking hat to burn. Because the Dodgers are winning again. 6-0. Top of the 8th. 2 outs. Game's almost over. So
the Dodgers scored.
We can cut the bullshit.
Also,
we can go smoke a cigarette. And we're gonna burn this piece of
Dodgers hat.
We're gonna burn this hat because this is what we've been doing. So let's go. Burn it here. No. My lighter? I'm just burning it. My cigarette. I'll light it with the fucking in LB's house. Fuck you. Fuck off, LB. Open the door. Fuck you. Fuck you! Fuck Oregon. Fuck Oregon. I love you, Utah. I miss you, Utah. Fuck you.
Can we guess what's in hand number fucking 1?
We got a porch light out here? What is it, hand number 1?
It is called charcoal lighter fluid.
What's gonna happen?
I'm gonna douse this piece of shit.
Go on the porch, nigga.
Okay, I'll pass. I'll go on the porch.
Get off the fucking porch and fucking...
Piece of shit.
In the light. In the light.
Fuck this Dodgers hat. I'm sick of representing these faggots. I've been representing you pussies for too long, and I've been faking on it because I was like, oh, LA's cool because
you like the Lakers?
Because they have badass raves and shit, and there's lots of hot bitches in LA. But you know what I'm saying? Fuck their baseball team. They're a bunch of pussies. They ain't got shit on us. Fuck you, little bitches.
Oh, light flame to it, right? You light your light flame right in the light.
Fucking.
Look at that. Uh-oh. That's not even gonna light. Not even gonna light. It's because the LA Lakers are gonna win the finals. Do you hear me? I said the Lakers are gonna win the finals. Hey. I said the Lakers. Here, watch. Here, I'll wear it. Here, let's see.
Oh, it's burning.
Here, watch.
Don't do it. It's gonna burn you.
Oh.
It's gonna get you.
That is gonna get me. That's fucked up. I'm gonna let that burn.
Get it. Get it.
Here, watch. Hey.
Oh.
That's mean, dude. You're burning a fucking $30 hat right there.
$30 well spent.
To burn it?
Yep. Fuck you.
What's your last saying?
All I have to say is if I burnt my
I can't
hair...
even see you. Go get in the... You did burn your hair.
Just look at my hair. Did I burn my hair? I fucking burnt my hair.
You broke the fuck out of here, nigga. Look, watch. Come inside.
No way.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, fuck.
You fucked up. Look. Oh, yeah. Go with the beer. Look. Oh, yeah. You burnt. Oh, yeah. Look. Watch. Oh, you burnt up. I burned you to live. Your hair.
Doesn't matter. I got a fucking giant cap to fucking cover it up. Fuck yeah. Go San Francisco. One more championship, baby. Let's get it.
No. And no. Ain't fucking happening.
All that score?
Ain't fucking happening. Put that on YouTube.